To swap out a Bluetooth lock on one of your bikes, you'll need a tamper-resistant T40 bit as well as a specialty security bit, both of which have been included in the binder that came with your system. These bits will work in any standard 1/4-inch multi-tool. Now we're going to start by holding the sleeve pin in place while loosening the security bolt on the other side. And be sure to keep the sleeve pin in place so the lock doesn't fall out before you're ready to remove it. Now go ahead and remove the second security bolt and allow the lock to pivot downward. And now just remove the sleeve pin and the lock. To install the new one, just line the lock up with the mounting bracket and reinsert the sleeve pin. By hand, thread the security bolts back in place to avoid any cross-threading. Now go ahead and tighten the sleeve pin back up. And then lift the lock into position before tightening down the second security bolt. Now give the lock a quick shake to make sure that it's not over-tightened. Over-tightening can cause the lock to be stuck in one position. This will give you a hard time undocking or redocking the bike to a rack. To fix this, loosen the security bolt incrementally until the lock is able to move freely in the bracket.